Sabaha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick video for you guys showcasing some of the best cases available for us today for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now I have a couple of cases that are original cases specifically made by OnePlus for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I also have 3 cases that were sent to me from Tudia. Let's not waste any time and let's check them out. Like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to make sure that you're notified whenever we put out new videos on the channel. So here we have the OnePlus 7 Pro in Nebula Blue, and we'll go ahead and start off with the 3 cases made by OnePlus. So what I have in front of us is 3 different cases, again made by OnePlus. The one on the left is actually the one that's included in your box. It's a clear TPU case that looks pretty good on our OnePlus 7 Pro, and the reason I say that is because it allows us to actually see our device. So you'll see right there, definitely you get to enjoy the Nebula Blue. You don't really lose much on this. You have the obviously opening and a definite raised here. It's not bad, but it does protect the optics here from the table. We have an opening for the notification slider as well as the power button. Of course, the camera pop-up works great. All of the stuff is basically designed by OnePlus. Of course, we don't have access to the SIM tray at the bottom. Since we don't have wireless charging, we don't have to worry about testing that. But other than that, this one actually looks pretty good and it has openings for everything. It also does provide a slight raised lip, as you can see right ever so slightly here, so that when you put your device on the table, the glass is not actually sitting directly. And there is a slight opening here for the earpiece at the top for the stereo speakers. So the next one we're going to look at is the sandstone case. It's a thin profile case, again made by OnePlus. The opening is pretty good. Now this is again intended to be a very thin design, very much just intended to be very form-fitting to the phone, keeps it very thin. We have access obviously to everything. It does raise or kind of provide like a kind of a flush feeling on the back there. Open at the top, open at the bottom. On the side we don't have any coverage. We have access to the buttons. We can actually just change the actual ringer option. Of course the volume on the right. Now it does have a slight raised lip there, so you can kind of see it right there. It does raise it slightly so the glass is not on the table. But as far as optimal protection, I think the third option is definitely going to be the best one for us. Now obviously the third option is the most protective one. This is the hardest plastic one. We do have the OnePlus logo in white, an opening here for the slider, and it does have a soft material on the inside to protect our device and make sure there's no scratches on it. Fitting is very nice, very clear. Obviously we have access there. The camera pop-up will work great. Again, these are OnePlus cases. There should be no issue with the camera pop-up, and of course everything is set up correctly there. If we open up the camera and then we see it right there, you can still access it. And of course the earpiece at the top is definitely not covered, and you could still see that little light that shows up right there whenever we open up the front-facing camera, and it looks really good. So let's go ahead and switch over to some of those Tudia cases that I got sent. Now Tudia sent me 3 cases here. There were 3 different designs of pretty much of the same case. We have a blue, a silver, and a black one, and they're basically 2-piece cases. So let's go ahead and open up the black one right there. And again, these are the merge cases by Tudia. As I mentioned, they are 2 pieces, and you'll see here Tudia merge. Inserting it is pretty simple. Just go in. And you'll notice right there, there's a good grip. There's materials on the side here to provide us a better grip. And an opening, of course, for the rocker right there. The the power button is protected and definitely very clicky, and you can still use it. Volume rocker. On the bottom, we have an opening for the microphone, the bottom firing speaker, as well as the USB-C cable or port. And of course, let's go ahead and open up the camera. Here we are. No obstruction. Definitely works really good, and there's no coverage or no issues with the optics. So you can notice right there, even though it kind of looks like it's close to it, there's no issues at all. And of course we can still see that little light, and the earpiece is not covered. So overall, as far as the form and fit, I think this looks really good. It definitely has a very much more pronounced raised lip here, as well as the front as far as the case. So you can see right there that the glass will not touch the table when you put it down. If you decide to put in some type of glass protector, if OnePlus releases it, because at the time as I'm filming this, I do not have access to see if there is going to be a glass protector available, and if there is, we'll definitely have another video for you guys showcasing that. The silver case is pretty much the exact same dimensions and feel. The only difference is obviously it's a different plate on the back, and of course the blue one is right there. Now of course, since it's a Nebula Blue, you probably want to go with the blue one. For me, I like to pretty much keep them black, even though it shows the accented blue colors that we see here, and it definitely looks really nice. I like to keep it there, and then of course we have that accent still showing through here. So the blue shows through here, through there, and the rest of the device is just basically very nice, very fast, and it really looks very good. Hope you guys enjoyed the selection of cases that I have for you today, and you have something that looks really nice and you maybe want to try it out. Now keep in mind the original cases from OnePlus can be purchased directly from OnePlus on their website, and of course the Tudia cases will be available through Amazon. So I'll give you guys a link in the description below, and of course in there you'll be able to also save $20 on your next order from OnePlus if you decide to purchase a device. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support. Let me know in the comments below which one of these cases do you think looks the best on our OnePlus 7 Pro. This is TK. I'll see you guys in the next video.